Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to study a topic in biology known as nervous system. Nervous system deals with various organs and tissues that work together to ensure that electrical impulses are transmitted from one part of the body to another. And in the system, the nervous system works together with the endocrine system to bring coordination. We are going to study this nervous system with questions and answers for a better understanding. In the first question we have here, the question says, the outermost part of the membrane enveloping the brain is called dash. A. Dura mater. B. Arachnoid matter. C. Pia matter. D. Neuro matter. In this question, the correct answer is A. Dura mater. The brain is an organ that helps in interpretation of impulses in the body. And studies have shown that the brain is enveloped by membranes called meninges. In these membranes called meninges, the outermost part of that meninges is called the dura mater. The middle part is called the arachnoid mater, while the innermost part is called the pia mater. The next question says, the term neuron is associated with dash. A. Excretory system. B. Nervous system. C. Respiratory system. D. Reproductive system. In this question, the correct answer is B. Nervous system. So neuron is a cell that can be found in the nervous system. The nervous system is made up of a group of cells called neurons, and these neurons are the active cells that make up the nervous system. The next question says, in animals, the two communication systems that bring about coordination are dash. A. Endocrine system and nervous system. B. Respiratory system and exocrine system. C. Reproductive system and endocrine system. D. Excretory system and reproductive system. In this question, the correct answer is A. Endocrine system and nervous system. So in animals, including humans, the endocrine system work with the nervous system to bring about coordination in the body. The next question says, a fluid that cushions the brain and also reduces friction is called dash. A. Cerebrospinal fluid. B. Sympathetic fluid. C. Synovial fluid. D. Marine fluid. In this question, the correct answer is A. Cerebrospinal fluid. This cerebrospinal fluid is a fluid that is found within the arachnoid mater part of the meninges, and what this fluid do is that the fluid helps the brain by reducing or preventing any form of friction that can occur between the brain and the surrounding tissue like skull. The next question says, a case was brought to a female lawyer. The part of her brain that helped her to make an outstanding judgment on the case in the law court is dash. A. Cerebellum. B. Cerebrum. C. Hypothalamus. D. Medulla oblongata. In this question, the correct answer is B. Cerebrum. Cerebrum is the part of the brain that is the site of memory, is the site of intelligence. Studies have shown that this part of the brain helps an individual to retain data or information. And if someone makes an intelligent judgment, if a lawyer makes an intelligent judgment on a case, the parts of his or her brain that helped him or her to make such an outstanding judgment is called the cerebrum. If anything goes wrong in the cerebrum part of the brain of an organism, definitely many things concerning memory will be definitely affected negatively. The next question says, the part of a neuron that carries electric impulses away from the cell body to their proper destination is dash. A. Axon. B. Dendrite. C. Nucleus. D. Myelin sheath. In this question, the correct answer is A. Axon. This axon is a part of a neuron that carries electrical impulses away from the cell body. The next question says, the following are reflex actions except dash. A. Jerking of the lower leg when the knee is tapped. B. Picking a book from the table. C. Hand withdrawal when it touches a hot water. D. Pupil contraction when a bright light gets into the eyes. In this question, the correct answer is B. Picking a book from the table. In nervous system, there is what we call reflex actions. These are involuntary actions in the body. These are involuntary actions, and this option known as B, picking a book from the table, is not a reflex action because it is a voluntary action. The next question says, the correct pathway of impulse transmission in the body is dash. A. The information will move from the dendrite to the cell body, from cell body to axon, from axon to synaptic knobs. B. The information will move from cell body to axon, from axon to dendrite, and from dendrite to synaptic knobs. C. The information will move from the axon to the cell body, from the cell body to dendrites, and from dendrite to synaptic knobs. D. The information will move from synaptic knobs to axon, from axon to cell body, from cell body to dendrites. In this question, the correct answer is A. This option A is the correct pathway of impulse transmission in the body. In a neuron, all these things are there. The dendrite is there, the cell body is there, axon is there, the synaptic knob is there. The next question says, the sensory receptors that detect chemical stimuli are called dash. A. Mechanoreceptors. B. Thermoreceptors. C. Chemoreceptors. D. Photoreceptors. In this question, the correct answer is C. Chemoreceptors. These chemoreceptors are sensory receptors that have the ability of detecting chemical stimuli. The next question says, the nervous system uses specialized cells called dash for transmitting electrical impulses from one part of the body to another. A. Neurons. B. Enzymes. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Neurons. So these neurons are special cells that make up the nervous system, and the nervous system uses these neurons for transmitting electrical impulses from one part of the body to another. The next question says, the part of the nervous system that calms the body after stressful conditions is called dash. A. Sympathetic nervous system. B. Parasympathetic nervous system. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. Parasympathetic nervous system. So this parasympathetic nervous system is the part of the nervous system that calms the body after the body have undergone some stress. If this is the first time you are joining this channel, if this is the first time you are watching our video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because in this channel we study different topics in biology for better understanding.